enriched by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, sustains extensive agriculture, positioning it as one of the most resource-rich regions in the world. Historically, Bengal stood as a prominent exporter of silk, cotton, and handicrafts prior to European colonization, highlighting its crucial economic role in that era. The Portuguese explorers' arrival in the 16th century underscored Bengal's wealth, as its thriving industries and vibrant culture drew global attention and admiration. After Vasco da Gama reached the Malabar coast in 1498, Europeans recognized that India was also accessible by sea, thus expanding trade opportunities significantly. The Portuguese Empire commenced trade in Bengal following a license from Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1528, which allowed them to establish a stronger foothold in the region. In response to the Portuguese expansion, the Mughal Empire attacked Hooghly in 1632, a significant conflict that curtailed Portuguese dominance in Bengal. Following its victory over the Mughal Empire, the East India Company transformed Kolkata into India's trade capital, greatly enhancing its control over Bengal's resources. However, high custom duties imposed on Bengali textiles rendered local goods expensive and uncompetitive, which ultimately led to the decline of Bengal's textile industry. Bengal also suffered devastating famines during the 18th and 20th centuries, exacerbated by British taxation and wartime resource exports, resulting in millions of fatalities. The partition of Bengal in 1947 was a consequence of religious demographics, creating a Hindu-majority India and a Muslim-majority Pakistan, which later paved the way for Bangladesh's independence in 1971. Bangladesh acts as a vital link between South Asia and Southeast Asia, playing a crucial role in regional trade coordination. Its absence would hinder organizations like ASEAN and SARC. The Siliguri corridor is essential for India's access to its northeastern states, underscoring Bangladesh's critical geographical position. Conflicts surrounding this corridor could jeopardize India's territorial integrity. China's establishment of a naval port at Cox's Bazar marks a significant move to enhance its military and trade influence in the region, with a facility expected to accommodate Chinese naval vessels. Amidst these developments, the U.S. aims to establish an airbase on St. Martin's Island to monitor China's activities in the Bay of Bengal, reflecting rising tensions between U.S. and Chinese interests. Consequently, Bangladesh's government finds itself under pressure from both China and the U.S., raising critical questions about its future alliances and strategies. This situation exemplifies the delicate balance of power in South Asia, where geopolitical maneuvers can greatly influence national policies. The rivers of Bangladesh represent its most significant natural resource, providing water abundance yet also presenting challenges during the monsoon season, affecting the country's development. Furthermore, severe storms and flooding frequently plague Bangladesh, especially during the monsoon months, resulting in considerable devastation, particularly in vulnerable areas. With its fertile land and access to the sea, Bangladesh holds untapped potential for growth. Effective leadership could harness these resources to enhance the nation's future.